Hey everybody, welcome to Chibi Fire Alarm Test 14 or 15, I'm not sure. As you can see, I got the 425120, but I also got a new device today. This is a Simplex 49019820, another one, yes, but except as you see, this one's a first generation TrueAlert, as you see right here. So, got the key in the pull station, and I'm not going to do this for too long, because if you know anything about TrueAlert remote horns, especially the 4901 and 820, these can blast your eardrums out. Because TrueAlerts can be incredibly loud devices. So I'm going to pull it. Yeah, that is pretty loud. So anyways, and just like my other 4901 9820, this first gen TrueAlert remote horn is selectable between free run and smart sync. Anyways, thank you for watching.